You're going to love the French verb monter. It's very easy to use and you can use it in many different situations. The first meaning of monter is to go up or to climb. But how to remember that? Well, you drop the ER and you get mon. The T is silent. A mount in English. Un in English turns into on in French. The mountain, la montagne. And you see, a mountain is actually a part of the earth that goes up. So, monter is to go up. But monter has also other meanings, like to take up. Je monte mes affaires dans la chambre. To rise. Le niveau de la mer monte. To get in. Elle monte dans la voiture. To assemble. Vous montez une étagère. To set up for a show. Il monte un spectacle. To start up. Elle monte une entreprise. So if you like these French tips and examples, I prepared you a free masterclass to help you to master the French verbs, to print the French verbs in your mind. So I see you there.